The SolarWinds APM Integrated Experience helps resolve critical issues by combining digital experience monitoring, application performance monitoring, and log management and analytics. For example, let's say a critical site transaction has failed. If we look into the specific failed check, we see the payment confirm step has failed. The booking service is highlighted in red, so let's take a deeper look at it. This shows that the service is not performing. Request rate is up and latency is up, so we need to look at some of the transactions associated with that service. If we click into a transaction outlier on the heat map, we can see there are way too many requests to the database. Almost 4.7 of the 5.5-second transaction is with the database. If we search the logs associated with this transaction, we can confirm there's definitely an issue with the database. Once we fix the problem, we can double-check to make sure the transaction check is functioning properly. When we rerun it, we can see it is performing as it should. Problem solved. Make sure all your web transactions are functioning smoothly with the SolarWinds APM Integrated Experience.